Alright, hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy ocean. So first I'm just going to go to third person map and then name it. And then go settings, plugins, and then search up water. And then I already have it enabled, but just enable it, then restart and then once you're done with that, go to File, New Level. I'm going to just do a basic for this, and then go to Quick Add, and then go to All Classes, and then scroll all the way down to Island, and then pull it out. Then you can move it however you like it, but it takes a while to load in, so you just gotta wait on that. And once it does load in, there you have your ocean. You can adjust it or do whatever you want. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. It helps a lot.